Hi guys, William Meza here, Executive Real Estate. Today I wanted to talk about California's fire insurance changes, right, and how it's affecting real estate in today's market. Okay. So if you're selling your home in Southern California in 2024, there have been some big changes in the insurance world that are going to affect the sale of your home. So I want to talk to you a little bit about what's happened in the insurance world in California. I mean, it's all across the country, but we're definitely feeling it right here in Southern California. So if you haven't heard, in the last year, there have been multiple insurance carriers that have completely pulled out of California, and they're refusing to sell new policies. So the latest is State Farm, the largest provider of home insurance in California. They recently announced that they stopped accepting new applications within the state of California. Existing policies won't be affected, but State Farm isn't alone. Allstate, the fourth largest provider in the state, stopped selling new home insurance policies last year, and a lot of these companies are saying that they're not insuring anything in California anymore. And now the other companies are raising the rates. The timelines are increasing to issue insurance, and there's so much out there that has changed that when you go to sell your home, it's really important for you to understand that the policy that you have on your home today might not be available when you sell your home to that next buyer. And when that happens, the last resort is something called the California Fair Access Insurance Plan. It's a long name, but if none of those traditional carriers will issue the insurance, this is an option for you. Okay, it's a state-backed plan that tends to be very pricey and at times doesn't give you the full coverage that you typically need to, so that you have to supplement it with another plan through a traditional insurance company. Now you have two policies, and the cost sometimes gets extremely high. Not only that, but it takes about a month or so to get that plan issued. So when you decide to sell your home, my office starts researching what are the insurance options going to be for the buyer immediately after we get into escrow. So we're going to explore all those options. So when someone decides to buy your home or make an offer on your home, we know exactly what type of insurance is going to be available to them. So what I've been seeing is that when a buyer comes to the table, they're not prepared for this new insurance world. They get started on it, and then they realize that the cost is going to be far too high and they don't actually qualify for the loan anymore. And then they come to you asking you to reduce the price, or they simply walk away from the deal. So we don't want that to happen to you. So we're doing a lot more due diligence and research so that we can eliminate that from being an issue and holding up the sale of your home. So if you're thinking about selling your home, make sure you're working with an agent like our team that's going to do some of this due diligence up front, so you don't have to end up having problems on the back end. So there you have it. We do anything to keep you ahead of the game. As always, it's my job to make this process as stress-free as possible. And if you have any questions on this topic, or you're looking to buy or sell, we're here to help. My contact information is below, and thanks for watching.